One English grammar class 3rd. Today the chapter 9 we will going to learn. In this chapter is degrees of comparison. Before that we already learned about the adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives that describes noun and pronoun words. These are adjectives. The words that say how much or how many are also adjectives. So, the definition of adjective is the describing words are adjectives. They are placed before the nouns and they describe it. This is called adjectives. Yes. After that, adjectives is divided into 3 parts by using comparison. This is called degrees of comparison. Yes. What are degrees of comparison? Before that, we have to see these kinds of sentences to learn more. The hippopotamus is a large animal. An elephant is a larger than hippopotamus. The whale is the largest animal. You can see over here, the positive thing, a particular single person, single animal that is large. Whenever we compare between two things, that two animals, you can see an elephant and hippopotamus, then we use ER after the word. That will comparative degree, that is larger. And we talking about the superlative degree, that is we use EST after the word, that is largest. So these differences telling about the degrees of comparison. That is in the first sentence, that is telling about the positive degree. In the second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Moreover, in the above 3 sentences, we are comparing the sizes of hippopotamus, elephant and a whale. Adjectives that compare one or more things use degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Positive, when there is no comparison. Comparative, when we compare 2 things. Superlative, when we compare more than 2 things. Yes, this is a way we can elaborate the comparison degrees. That is positive, when we have no comparison between anyone. Comparative degree, when we compare 2 things. Superlative degree, when we compare more than 2 things. These are superlative. See some examples. Nice for positive, nicer for comparative. Nicest is for superlative. Similarly, small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Long, longer, longest. High, higher, highest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. So these examples telling about the 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive, comparative, superlative. Rest of the degrees of comparison we will learn later. Thank you.